It seems I'm live. I just need to verify if everything is working here. So my Hangout says I'm live. I just still need to check if I'm live there. And today I will try to pick up questions from mobile phone because I need to switch the screen here. Is it possible to switch? Seems. And I know I'm late. I was supposed to be live at 2:30. We are late by 5 minutes because I don't know what's going wrong today with my camera settings. You can see my face is not looking good. It's some sort of light coming today. Or maybe the mobile phone is enhancing my colors. I don't know what is going wrong here. Uh, Let me do some adjustment here. Is it good? Yeah, it seems good now. And how many people are watching this? Okay, I cannot see much people today because maybe it's an afternoon time and there's a match going on. I know. Let's see. Let's see. Let me just pick up questions not from here. From okay, maybe I can take a question from here as well. This looks good. Okay, so first of all, before going for the questions round, let's discuss something else. And if you can see the topic for today, it's a bit different. Topic for today is a college invite for seminars. I don't know if you follow me on Facebook. I have been uploading a lot of photos of different colleges because I'm visiting a lot of colleges this time. So I do used to visit colleges before, but then from a long time I left college visits. I wanted to focus more on corporate. Now, since I'm shifting my focus from corporate to again YouTube. So I thought let's again visit the colleges which I should go to, and let's have a good seminar there. Now, I choose different topic for seminar. Let me just reduce the temperature there. Yeah, so I wanted to visit colleges to deliver different topics because I always used to believe, that colleges have a different syllabus what we are expecting in the industry. Industry is working on different path, and college is teaching different things. I still remember when I was in my college, we were having a subject which does not make any sense in the industry. I'm not saying it should not be there. It is basic, right? It should be there. But the college syllabus is not matching with the industry standards. So I thought let's visit these colleges and let them know what is going in the industry. So I thought let's visit some colleges, and I used to visit before as well. But this time I don't know. I got some different reaction from students, not from all colleges, because I have been not visiting multiple colleges now. I don't know what is happening nowadays with college, but I feel there's something going wrong with the college syllabus or the way the culture which we have in colleges now. It's good, they are focusing more on external event. They are focusing on cultural events. That's good. That's amazing. The only thing which I'm not liking is the behavior, the response of everyone, the teachers, the students, the college management. Everyone is playing their own game. I feel management is focusing how to earn more money. Teachers are focusing on how to go back to home and enjoy, and students are focusing more on how can you spend these 3 years and then just go out and struggle because they don't know. People who are in first year, second year, third year, I mean, in any year of the degree, the more they have years, they get sincere. In the fourth year, they understand, okay, next year we have to go for a job. But people who are in first year, second, they're not able to understand what's going wrong with them. They are focusing more on enjoyment. I'm not saying you should not enjoy, but then this is not a way you should enjoy. I mean, you if let me do an example here. I used to get some requests from different colleges that they want to arrange a seminar on different topics which I don't know, because the topics which I know, I do give seminar on that. Example, on clouds, on Java, on different topics. But let's say if we talk about hacking, if we talk about, let's say, testing, I'm not good with those topics, right? So some people do ask me to recommend someone from the industry who will go there and give a session. But the problem is when I contacted some people and then they agreed to go to colleges for a seminar, and they went. One of them went for a seminar. I mean, think about this: a person working from last 7 years in the industry on different background, maybe testing background in this example. So can you imagine that having 7 years of experience in testing on different tools, and this guy goes to a college for a seminar. Now, if I was a student, if at this place if I was a student, I would have attended that session in a respectful way. I would attended everything from start to end, listen to everything. But when he went for a seminar, everything went wrong. I mean, he went for a seminar and then he was talking about different topics, and people were enjoying on their own jokes. I mean, this is what you say. I mean, I'm sure this guy will never visit any colleges in future. I'm sure. So that's one thing. Okay, I don't. I'm not saying this happens in every college. When I go to different colleges, I do get some good audience there. In fact, I have faced these issues in some colleges because I have this different way of teaching. I don't make sure that everyone is quiet because I want people to enjoy, but then not in this way. Not in this way. The way they behaved, it's very bad. The response from students. See, if I'm not getting response properly from management, that's fine. Management is not focusing on educating people; they are focusing more on earning money. Our teachers, yes, they are having a good interaction with us, but the moment you talk about students, I'm not liking the way they behave. Uh, I don't know. I mean, I can handle because I have experience of going to colleges for training before. But someone coming from the industry who don't have much of teaching experience in the industry, in the colleges, and that person is working very hard in the industry, knows a lot of technologies. I feel people should respect those. I mean, students should respect those people who are coming from the industry. Uh, so I don't know how college teachers will be helpful in this case. I feel they should make them understand the importance of seminars, the importance of people coming to your colleges. Let's see. Uh, so yeah, so that's about thing. And one more thing, I'm available till 2020 Feb, 18 Feb, because after that I'm getting busy. I don't know if everyone knows about this. I've never announced this on this platform, I guess. So I'm getting married this month. So 23rd Feb, I'm getting married. So I'm quite busy with those stuff. There are a lot of things happening here. Being a South Indian, so there are a lot of things I have to do. So I'm busy with that. So before that, I'm available. After that, also I cannot be sure. But before that, I'm available for different colleges. I'm do visiting different colleges now. So yesterday I went to Matunga in Mumbai for a college, and next week also I'm going to two colleges. Yes, it's two. Two colleges, I guess. Yeah. So that's about the update. So if you want to invite me to your college, let me know. You can send me a request on Facebook, or you can email us on telescopetraining@gmail.com. That's where you can invite us. Now, why I went live today at this point? In fact, I wanted to go live at 7 p.m., but then, as I mentioned, there are different things on which is happening now. I'm busy with other video creation project and my marriage preparation. So I wanted to go live at 7 p.m., but I was not sure will I be able to go live there. So I came. I'm live now. Maybe I will go live once again at 7 if I get chance. But today is, I mean, this is a live session and quite a number of people are watching this. I thought only 10, 12 people will show up because it's afternoon time, Sunday. So no one will show up. But then, yes, people are showing up. So that's great. Uh, Okay, that's great. So yeah, topic for today was the college invites. If you want to send me the invites, you can. But the only thing which I need here is discipline. Okay, next time when you call anyone from the industry, doesn't matter me or someone, make sure that your college, the students who are sitting in the classroom, are disciplined because we are not responsible to make them disciplined, right? But we are not college teachers. We are not spending time with them for the entire year. So we don't want to waste our time in that. Uh, so let's see. So that's one thing I want. So great. So that's about this. That's about the invites. And now let's take up some questions. Tushar says, "What's my age?" Okay, so I'm 28 now. Doesn't look like 28, I know, but then I'm 28. So I born in 89, 1989. So I'm 28 now. Okay, so David Das says so party. Okay, sure. So next time we'll have a meetup, we'll have a party. So I'm trying to do meetups in different cities now, but we'll do it after May or April, maybe. Uh, let's see. Okay, so let me go back to some questions. Again, I have started this chat in a slow mode because I am facing this issue from a long time. The moment I take a question, I can see so many questions at the same point, right? It's very difficult to track the questions. So what I'm doing now is I've just set the slow mode on, which means you can post your questions once in a minute. Okay, so people who are trying to bombard with questions, you cannot do that now. Okay, I mean, questions are good, but then some people they just want to bombard anything else, spam. So I think this should be helpful. The thing which we are doing here. Okay. Vishal, okay, Arvind says, hi, Java Guruji. Is it Java Guruji? Okay, that's a good word. Maybe I should create a channel like this, Java Guruji. Sounds cool. Okay, I hope I've not changed the flag because I just it seems good. It seems good. Okay, the question was, yeah. So, don't you watch match? I do. I was watching match before going live. So I was doing some other stuff, and on the second screen the match was on. But then I thought live is more important, so that I can complete the live. And I'm supposed to go out now. After some time, so I thought, okay, let's do a live. So yes, I do watch cricket. I love cricket, by the way. Okay, so hello, sir. I think you are uploading Servlet JSP video in a low rate. Yes, that's you can blame me there. You can blame me there. I'm guilty about it. Yes, I'm uploading a video on Servlet JSP with a very low rate. I was supposed to upload at least one video of Servlet JSP every day, but I failed to do that because okay, I cannot give excuses here. I'm trying. Today also, I will upload a video on Server JSP. Today, yes, we have one video to be uploaded. The thing is, I'm not getting much time to make videos. Okay, that's an excuse again. Okay, no excuses, but then yes, I will try to upload as much as videos possible on Server JSP. And the Code Java videos, you can see they are continuously uploaded because it's the thing is, I have those recording already been done. It's just that I just need to edit the Code Java videos. That's why I'm able to upload them very quickly. I'm not saying editing is very easy, but it takes around 1 hour to edit the entire video because I have to remove all those ooh, the repeated sentence sometimes. Because when I make a video, let's say the video is for 8 minutes, I make sure that it goes down to at least 5 or 6 because instead of wasting your 8 minutes, if you can learn the same concept in 6 minutes, that's awesome, right? So that's why we need a lot of editing. So I try to edit each and every second of the video. That's why the pace is going down now. So time and I'm focusing more on quality content and quantity. So instead of making 5 to 6 videos per day, maybe 1 or 2 videos per day, which has good content. Let's see. Okay, I can see 106 people watching this and only 49 likes. Come on, guys. If you enjoy these sessions, let me know it by click on the like button there. Uh, okay. So is it good to learn Java FX or move on to Python? See, both have different reason to use. You cannot say Java X replaces Python or Java Python will replace Java X. They're different purpose. If you want to design applications on Java, of course, Java FX is the go-to thing. But if you want to go for machine learning, if you want to go for scripting, if you want to go for server-side programming, Python is a good option. And easy to learn. That's very important, right? Because some people they want to be a software developer. They don't want to focus. They don't want to spend more time in learning programming. If you can learn something very awesome, very easy to learn, so that's Python for you. Okay, so I would like to develop a channel through I can connect my app and web app. Which technology should I use? You want to connect your channel through an app. Okay, if you're only saying that you want to fetch some videos from the YouTube, which I'm doing, so if you download my app, I do the same thing. I'm connecting my app with the YouTube channel. So for web application, I do have a video. I don't know if you have seen my Java web development videos. Okay, let me search for that. So video name is okay, I forgot Umax. Yeah, the library name is Umax. So search for Telusko Umax. It's a JavaScript library. You can use that. Oh, it says no video found. That's weird. Okay, so maybe YouTube is blocking Umax term. That's very bad of YouTube. Maybe YouTube don't like Umax library. I mean, that's weird. Search for Umax on YouTube. Oh, it's there. Okay, videos are coming, but then when I search for Telusko Umax, it says no result found. That's weird. That's really weird. So I would say Telusko. Okay, let me just check for the video later, and I will post that on YouTube on the comment section of this video. That's weird. I'm not able to find my own video there. Weird. Okay. Okay. So tell me something about Salesforce. Not much of idea, but they provide you cloud services. Not much idea on that. Okay, one question. In Java, sir, please tell me what are the difference between method and function. Okay, Java basically says every block, I mean, the thing which you execute is a method. Okay, so that's a method because object has a method. Okay, so in Java, we always say methods. We don't say functions. I mean, we used to say methods. So till Java 1.7, we always say those are methods. But then in Java 1.8, we got a concept of functional programming. So you can do functional programming in Java now. So Java now supports reactive programming, it supports functional programming, it supports object-oriented programming. So in object-oriented programming in Java, we say methods. When you work with functional programming, we say functions because in Java 8 you create functions. Again, those are methods, but then just to make it more interactive, just to make it more easy to understand, we say functions. But all are methods, by the way. Okay, so Kinshu says, hats off, Naveen sir, you're doing a great job. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks so much for that. Uh, okay. University College of Science, Saifabad. Please come to our college, sir. Is in Mazab Tank. Oh, I don't know where is Mazab Tank. Is it? I don't know. Let me search for that. Oh, it's in Hyderabad. Okay. Okay. So my plan are to visit Hyderabad, but not now. Maybe in month of May. So yes, in May I'll be visiting Hyderabad for a family function. My native is Andhra Pradesh, so I will in Telangana, so I'll be visiting there. So yes, I'll be visiting Hyderabad and we'll do some meetups there. And if you maybe some college as well. But it will be in May. I don't know which college will be opened in May. I don't know. So let's see. Okay. Uh, Please make a video on all tools server used in corporate office. I'm trying to do that only. So my aim was to teach you all the things which is actually used in the industry, not just any fancy things which comes on the way. So I'm trying to teach you those things which are really useful in the industry. So when you join any big company, these are the tools which they use, right? Example, AWS, then continuous integration, Java, Hibernate, Spring frameworks. Yes, I'm trying to do that on this channel. But yeah, I'm guilty of the crime, which is I'm not uploading videos on a go. I should be uploading 5 to 6 videos per day, as per some people. So I'm trying to do that. Okay, so hello, sir. Hibernate Spring Boot, more videos, please. Yes, videos for Hibernate Spring Boot are on the way. Okay, when I say on the way, it will take 3 to 4 months more because currently I'm trying to finish Servlet JSP, then Core Java. Those things are running parallelly, and some videos on data structures as well, some videos on Git as well, and then I have a big event coming on at the end of the February. I will be available only in May now, so that's where you will get all the videos. So Pune University is dumb. Oh, you cannot say that university is dumb. It's just that because what makes a university is the entire thing. The faculties, the college the college management, the students. I believe I cannot change the management. I cannot change teachers, but at least we can, as a students, we can improve, right? So why to keep the entire hold on your teachers and management? We can hold it, right? We can change the way college works. And I felt bad when I heard about that guy, one of my friend. He complained a lot about this thing. So let's see. Okay, so nice lecture by you, sir. It's helpful for all of us. Instead of wasting time, it's better to learn. Oh, thank you so much. How much? Okay, how you get started with iPhone development without having Mac? How to get started? Okay. Uh, Now if you go for iPhone development, I guess using JavaScript frameworks, we can make apps. I'm not sure if you need Mac there, but yes, you can do that with the help of JavaScript frameworks. Or you can use Xamarin. Xamarin works on Windows as well. And using Xamarin, you can make iOS apps. You can try that. Okay, so Ilyas says, what software do you use for streaming? I'm using Hangout. If you can see that on the top right. Yeah, yeah. So you can see Google there. So so I'm using Google Hangout for streaming. Uh, okay. I'm still trying to find out different tools for streaming, like we have OBS. There are different tools available, but I'm using Hangout as of now because Hangout works. Maybe in future I would switch to something else, but as of now I'm using Hangout. Okay, so let me just check if everything is going good on this streaming because I'm not getting much questions here. Okay. Yep. Okay, so next is you are awesome, sir. Thank you so much, Komal. Akash says, hello, sir. Should we learn Kotlin instead of big size APK issues or with Java? Okay, so yes, you should be learning Kotlin now. So if you want to be an developer, I would say go for Kotlin. The only thing is, can you learn Kotlin from scratch? If you can, go ahead. Okay, there's no need to learn Java. But the only thing is, when you learn Java, you learn about different implementation, how JVM works, how stack, heap works, because it's not about language. Some people only focus on language, but I would say it's not just about language. It's also about the ecosystem which you're working on. Example, JVM, JRE, how that works, how heap works, how stack works. If you don't understand those things, then even if you learn a language, it doesn't make sense. So learning Java will help you understand those things, and then you can learn Kotlin very easily, right? Because learning Kotlin is more of syntax than the actual concept. So learn Java first, understand the understand everything around it, and then go for Kotlin. That's my suggestion. Okay, so Kinshu says, so we love your way of teaching. Oh, thank you so much, Kinshu. Okay, so congratulations for your marriage. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so please make a video on security strategies like OAuth, durabilities. Okay, so the thing is, I'm very bad with security. I'm not into security much. I'm more into development, more into web APIs. So yeah, okay, so I should be doing that. I'm not saying I don't do it. I don't work. I don't test my application, but then making videos on that takes some efforts. Maybe not now. Maybe in future I will try. Okay, Oriental College Bhopal. Okay, nothing planned for Bhopal as of now, but surely if time permits, I will visit there. Sure. I mean, the thing is, I want to visit as many colleges as possible. I just want to visit all the colleges in India, or not just India, in the entire world. It's just that shortage of time because I'm doing a lot of other stuff as well. I love these things which I'm doing now. I'm doing all those things as well. That's what I enjoy. So I'm just confused which one to go. Uh, okay. Don't you scared from marriage, sir? I'm scared about this. Okay. Okay, I'm not scared. I'm happy that I'm getting married. I'm getting married with my love, so of course I'm not scared about that. So okay, what's the difference between Servlet and JSP? So Servlet is basically a technology, and even if you're working on JSP is good if you want to design pages. Basically, if you heard about MVC, which is Model View Controller, where you put your view, where you create views, and we create views with the help of JSP. But ultimately, those JSP gets converted into servlets itself. So even if you as a programmer write JSP, those things will get converted into servlet. So what runs on your containers are servlets, not JSP. So that's the thing. In fact, better would be watch my video on Servlet JSP. So I do have Servlet JSP series. Watch that; it will make more sense. Okay. So constructor chaining is most important, sir, when you are launching this video. Oh, is it? You want constructor chaining video? Okay, we'll do that. We'll do that. Yeah. So I have uploaded super keyboard video, so I should be uploading the constructor training video as well. Good point. So I would suggest you, Tushar, just send me a mail on this because I may forgot. If I have a mail, at least I will remember this. So constructor chaining video. Let me just write it somewhere. Let me do that on my Sublime. I love Sublime, by the way. Uh, so it is constructor chaining. Great. Okay. DAO and do difference. What is do? I don't know. I've never seen do before. Is it data object or data object? Maybe talking about model. I don't know. DAO is basically a layer, data access layer. So it's a layer where you actually interact with it with data. And not about do. So can you just give me a full form of that so that I can explain it? Okay, why Java Android Studio when we create app from Unity or Box? It's more about native programming. It's about how can we use a complete part of your CPU? Can we achieve all the new features? I'm not into app development much, but then I believe native apps works faster than the hybrid apps. Uh, okay. Okay, all the questions. I just lost all the questions. Everything went up. Okay. What is Java 2 EE? So first of all, Java 2 EE now called Java EE. So they have removed 2 finally. So Java EE stands for Java Enterprise Edition, which means if you want to work with the enterprise, if you want to work with the enterprise network or enterprise softwares, example, if you want to make a JMS application, which is you are sending messages between different servers, if you want to work with JTA, Java Transition API, if you want to work with Spring Framework, if you want to work with Hibernate Framework, all these things comes under Java EE, which is Enterprise Edition. Then we have another version, which is Java SE, which is standard edition, where you work on core Java things, standard applications like JavaFX, collections, threads, all those things come under Java SE. So it's more of addition part of things. So core and the advanced part. Which cloud do you like more, G Cloud or AWS? I love AWS. I started working on G Cloud last year, which is Google App Engine. But later I found AWS is much more efficient for me. Okay, I'm not saying it is good for everyone. AWS is very efficient for me. And as per research, AWS provides you more features and has more users than Google Cloud. I don't know why, but maybe because of more features. Okay, so question is from Kanchan. Sir, first I want to thank you. Thank you so much. Your Java videos help me a lot. I'm going through campus placement. Please tell me about what should I prepare. I have done with Java and SQL. So I would say go for Java interview questions. So just go to Google and search for Java interview questions. Provided you know all the concept, because interview questions, when you go for Google and search for interview questions, you will get a lot of questions. If your base is not clear, those questions will not make any sense. Since you know your basics, you know Java, you know SQL, just go through some interview questions and be prepared. It's all about how well you answer, because you know the concept, right? It's also about how do you answer questions, how do you think about the question, how do you frame an answer. So practice those things, I would say. Do some mock interviews with your friends. Ask them to ask you questions and then give them answer. Let them what you say rate you on the performance you're giving and improve yourself every day. That's what I would say. Okay, so sir, come to Raghu Engineering College and please guide everyone. So I don't know where Raghu Engineering College is, so let me know. If it is Mumbai, I will surely visit. Mumbai is good. Mumbai, New Mumbai, I can visit there at least at this point with all my project and other stuff. Is it good to move from Java to big data? Of course, it's a good move. Why not? Can I go for Android if I know Java up to threads? Yes, that's what you want. I would say threads and collections as well. So make sure that you learn collections as well. Okay, collection. Why Java? Okay, so we have done with that question. We have done with this question. Oh, again, I lost all the questions. I watch. Uh, no, there's some sound. Someone is drilling at the wall there. Uh, okay, so Chinmay says it is nice experience meeting you in USA at Vashi. Oh, that's great, Chinmay. Yeah, I remember you, Chinmay Pawar. That's great. Okay, Gaurav says what frameworks is and what they do. Oh, frameworks just make your work easy, because if you do everything from scratch, it takes a lot of time to actually manage, because it's also about creating a structure of the project using some existing feature. So framework will do it for you. And framework also gives you design patterns. How do you build an application? Because if you know in Java, we have a lot of design patterns to work with. If you're using Spring Framework, not all design patterns you have to use, you have to implement, because Spring will do it for you. So I would say watch my Spring videos, you will understand how what frameworks will give you, especially Spring Boot videos. Do I have a Spring Boot video? I do have one video on that, I guess. Okay. Sir, you're best. Oh, thank you so much. I'm losing all the questions now. Some says Java me. What that means? What to learn for backend after Java and SQL? I would say if you know Java, learn server-side programming like Servlet, JSP, JDBC, then Hibernate, Spring. That's the entire stack you can learn. And trust me, it is awesome. Okay, waiting for Scala videos. Oh, is it? It will take some time, Scala videos. Okay, so a lot of questions are there. Okay, why Java is called as purely object-oriented? Because in Java, whatever you do, you talk about objects. The only place where Java is not purely object-oriented is the primitive data types. We have int, float, all those things. Other than that, Java says it's all objects, right? If you want to add two numbers, create an object and do it. Yes, we also Java also supports static, which is not purely object terms, but then yes, Java is object-oriented because everything what you do is object. I can see 92 people are watching this. That's great. Uh, okay, so we are live for next 10 minutes. Let me know if you have any more questions. We do have some more questions here. Okay, please make a video on Spring project. Okay, I do have a Spring project video on of my own website. You can try it out, Chinmay. Okay, so how much time I need to invest? Okay, this question is from Dinesh. How much time I need to invest every day if I want to learn Java SE in 3 months? That's a good question. Uh, okay, so basically, 3 months. See, learning Java is so how much time it will take is different, depend upon person, right? I'm very slow learner, so it takes around for me it takes a lot of time. So for three, if I want to complete the entire Java in 3 months, and if we talk about me, it will take around 2 hours per day for me at least to complete learn Java in a good way. Some people it might change. Some people may take 3 hours. Some people may take 1 hour per day. That will be enough for them. So it's very subjective. I would say spend as much time as possible to you. Okay, don't just say 2 hours or 3 hours. If you can spend 3 hours, that's great. Why you have to specify 3 months? Complete that into 1 month if you can. So Weber says when you will take seminar at Vikas College. The planning to take a seminar in Vikas College is doing for a long time. Uh, let's see how thing goes because let's see. So you can talk to your HOD, you can talk to your teachers. Let me know if they want to do it now. Because last time we had a talk, and later on, I don't know. I got busy. I forgot about the college seminar. Let me know if you want to, because it's my college, right? I'm available for that college anytime. So it's my college. I've done my BSc from Vikas College, so I would love to come there again. So let me know. Okay. So next question is okay. Where's the question? Best topic for minor project. Oh, that's a very weird question. Best topic. You have to decide your own topic because we are not living in 19th century or 20th century where teachers will give you everything. What you feel. Look around your world and see what are the problems which you are facing and solve those problems. Okay. Should I learn Sturge, JSF before going for Spring? Not needed. You can directly go for Spring. Later also you can learn Sturge and JSP. That's fine. I feel Sturge is a de facto technology now, or de facto framework for all Java projects. Dinesh says, what about your internship, sir? I want to do internship under your guidance. Okay, surely. So in May, mostly May, June, I'll be starting internship again, but it will be a remote internship, and I would love to have you people on bench. So आइए जानते हैं says sir I'm in ninth class and my name is Divyansh. Please make a video one solution of Java video solution on Java. What that means? Watch my playlist. That will be helpful. I guess that will be helpful. Okay, now my eyes are spinning now. I don't know why. Okay. So if you get time, please come in Bengal. Bhopal. Oh, surely, surely. Why Java doesn't support multiple inheritance? Oh, I do have a video. Yesterday only I have uploaded a video. Why it doesn't support multiple inheritance? What's that? Okay, future is AI, IoT, or blockchain. So can we integrate these features in Java? Yes, why not? So we do have some Java libraries for machine learning. We do use Java for blockchain. For IoT, we do use embedded Java. So yes, we can use Java everywhere. And Java is changing now. We have reactive Java. We have Java 9 features. So yes. Okay. Angular is tough to learn. Provided you know good amount of JavaScript, it is good. I'm not good with JavaScript, so I do find it difficult to work on view technologies. I'm not saying they're bad. I don't feel comfortable working on view technologies. Ankit says, come to Thakur College of Engineering and Technology. I'm coming to Thakur on 12th or 7th. I forgot the date. I need to check my schedule again. This week, I guess. Coming week, I'm coming to Thakur for a seminar, but I don't know. Is it engineering college? Is it MCA? Which department I'm coming for? So yes, I'm coming to Thakur College this week. In fact, I've not got the confirmation yet to check with them. Okay, what's your view on AI? AI is a future. That there will. It's not far away that a software will build a software in future. So maybe if software builds a software, we have to build a software which will build a software. Okay, that's what as a developer we do. Okay. Why should I learn Java as from web development background so I can build apps using React Native? What is your opinion? See, in what perspective you are saying? If you are saying in a perspective of startups, if you're talking a perspective of freelancers, yes, React Native is awesome. Okay, I've never seen that before, but then I've never worked on React Native, but then I heard about good amount of things on them. But the moment you talk about enterprise market, you just don't make web applications there. See, IT is not just about web. It's not just about making websites. Not just about making apps. I would say if we talk about IT, I would say 5% is 5% thing has to do with the apps and websites. You have to understand this. If you talk about all these businesses nowadays, Ola, Uber, if you talk about people do Facebook or WhatsApp, people say, just by using a language, just by using React Native, just by using Android, you can build the entire business. That's now how it works. You need to understand this. 95% startups are failing because they don't have this idea of, they just think that make an application and you're successful. That's not how it works. It's not just about app development. It's also about how can you make an app which sustains, which can sustain huge load. I mean, think about Twitter. Twitter was built on Ruby, but later they were forced to move to Scala because Scala can handle huge amount of processing power. Then it's also about the business model which you make. So don't just go into that stuff that you can make a website, you can make an application. It's not just about web, it's not just about app, it's also about the back end part of it. That's where people are missing nowadays. So that you'll understand once you join a company, once you join big industries. uh, Okay, but by no way I'm saying React Native is bad. Okay, it's good. It's very good. But then you cannot compare these technologies with Java. Yeah, so that Java works on enterprise world better. React Native works on website better. Yeah, so that's the thing. Okay, maths needed. Okay, maths. Where's the question? I lost the question there. I guess the question was something with maths needed for programming. Not everywhere. Example, if you are making web application, Android, desktop application, you don't need maths knowledge. But the moment you go for machine learning, if you're going for blockchain, if you're going for any of these new technologies where you need lots of processing, big data as well, you need good amount of math skill there. So even if you hate maths, you don't have a choice, buddy. Okay. So come to JSPM College in Pune. Oh, I was there in Pune last week. You should have mentioned that there. Okay, surely. When I visit Pune next time, I will surely visit your college, provided your college invites me, because it's also dependent upon college, right? If they want to invite me or not, because every college have their different perspectives. Some people want to call industry people, some people want to call Bollywood actors, some people want to call YouTubers. So it's dependent upon your college what they want. They want. So if they want me there, I will surely be there if I visit Pune there. Can you visit PES University in Bangalore? Surely. Just send me an invite. So if you want to send me an invite, just send an invite to telescotraining@gmail.com. So telescotraining@gmail.com, and try to send it by official ID of your college so that I can trust. Okay, so we met in Pune meetup. You suggested me to post small web game on GitHub. Yes, that's right. Oh, it's you, Yesh. Is it you? Yes, do that on GitHub. Oh, the game you have made those games, right? The running a game on two mobile phones using Node.js. Great. Which language I need to learn to do internship under Telusko Learning? Oh, so you want to do internship at Telusko Learning? I would say front end, because we need front end developers very badly. My website, my applications, my projects needs front end developer. I'm surely looking for good front end developers. JavaScript, AngularJS. Mostly we prefer AngularJS here, and yeah, JavaScript, AngularJS, Photoshop skills, and bit amount of Java as well, especially Spring Framework. That's what you need to do internship at Telusko Learnings. Okay, how to find size of variables in Java? Size of variables of Java? It's fixed, right? If you create an int variable, that's fixed. Okay. Tell something about artificial intelligence development. Okay, for that to talk about AI, I would say go to Andrew NG on YouTube. Search for Andrew NG. Andrew NG. Okay, so make Java के videos बार बार क्यों बना रहे हो? Okay, so the question is why I'm making the same video again. So no, I'm not making the same video multiple times. I'm doing it only for second time. Okay, some knocking is happening there. Somebody's repairing their house, I guess. Okay, the important thing is why I'm making the same video again is because I do have a Koja video there on YouTube, but then those videos, some videos don't have good quality, good audio quality, some don't have good video quality, because I started this thing in 2013 when I was very new to YouTube. I was very new to content creation, so I just created the way I wanted to create. I can create because you have not seen my setup when I started the YouTube. It was very bad. I was not having a tripod and all those things, so it was very difficult for me to make those good videos. So the quality is not good in the old videos, but these videos, the video which I'm uploading now, they have good amount of quality so that you can at least watch them properly. And I don't think you should be having a problem if I upload the same video again. Okay, when should we choose Java to develop applications? Every time. Okay, not every time, but I would say if you are making another application, go for Java or Kotlin. If you're going for enterprise project, go for Java. If you're going for Hadoop, big data frameworks, I would say Java. It's a good language to work on. Arpit says you are much more than celebrity for me. Oh, thank you so much, Arpit. This thing actually motivates me to make more videos. Okay, so what to do? Oh, I lost the question. I lost the question. Where's the question? Okay, what to do for inviting you in our college? Okay, so to invite, there are certain criterias. The first criteria is your college. Most probably, if it is Mumbai, I will be visiting this month only. But if your college is in some other cities like maybe Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, then you can expect me there in May, in the month of May or June. Okay, that's one thing. If you're in Mumbai, you just have to send me a mail by mentioning the topic which you want me to take, the type of audience we have, and that's it. That's it. I'll be there in your college. I need at least 1 hour to 2 hours. Okay, don't give me half an hour, 1 hour session, more than 1 hour session, which I would like because I do want to make an impact there. So making talking only for 1 hour because I visited some college talking only for 1 hour, and I felt I'm not able to deliver the proper content there. So that's the only requirement I have. Nothing much. The reason why I want to visit your college is just to motivate you people, just to connect with you better, just to help you, and just to understand what exactly industry needs or the college students needs nowadays, so that they can get into industry. Because I know the industry perspective, I'm not quite sure about the college perspective now, what is happening there. So I just want to visit there just to understand what is happening. So let me know if you need me there in your college. Okay, so Raghav, okay, Raghavendra says, so which book is better for Java? Okay, now if you want to learn Java in a comic way, I would say Head First Java. I was having that book. Okay, it's way up. Okay, I guess it will take some time. It was there. It's here. Okay, it's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Okay, so I do have a book here. Okay, this is what one of my favorite book. Okay, I cannot say the best book, but then Java complete reference. This is good. The only thing is it might bore you for learning. In that case, okay, can you see that I also have the eighth edition of the same book? So I have ninth edition. I have eighth edition. I just bought these two books and it is there. I'm trying to give away these books. That will be awesome, right? Giving away these books. And I have Head First Java, and I'm not able to see it here. Head First Java is there up, I guess. Is there? So yeah, so I'm also trying to give away these books because I'm not using them now. I'm not using these books, so maybe giveaway will be a good option. So next time when we do a meetup, okay, next meetup I will give away these books. I'll bring this book and I will give it to one person. One person, one book. Maybe we will play some game there, and whoever wins will get these books. Because they are getting wasted in my place here. So someone will be. I mean, it will be helpful for someone to read this book. Okay, so thanks for making this YouTube channel. Your teaching method is awesome. Well, thank you so much. Make more videos on Survey JSP. Yes, they are on the way. They are on the way. Okay. So Rahul says, so today I started learning Angular JS. Within 1 month, I will learn it. How can I apply? So okay, in May, what you will do is, till then, prepare yourself, be ready. In May, we'll host an event. In that event, whoever wins, I will select top three. Yeah, so whoever top three will get the internship at Telusko Learning. That's what I'm planning. As of now, three. Maybe I will, if I can make a proper planning, maybe 4 or 5. Because the more people you have, it is difficult to manage them, and I'm very bad with managing people. So let's see. So 3 max will do a remote internship, maybe a paid one or free one. That we'll see later because I'm still searching for funds now. Okay, now last 2 minutes because I'm going out now. Okay, so Srijan says, tell me Tell about your watch. Oh, this watch. Okay, this is iWatch. Basically, this is iWatch. I loved it. So this is my gift to myself. So on my birthday, I gifted this watch to myself. That's what I did. This is iWatch. Not the series. This is not. This is series one. This is not series two because series two is a bit costly. This is better. Okay, this was something which I could have afforded at that point. Uh, so this is iWatch. I love this watch. The only thing is it is very fragile. If you travel in local train in Mumbai, it's very risky. Okay, because if you lose it, then you're gone. Right. So it's risky. Okay, spring all the way. Yes, spring all the way. Okay, what about Delhi meetup? Delhi meetup. Yes, I'm planning to do that in March because March I'm coming to Delhi for some work. Let's see. Okay, so name of the author of this book. Okay, who's the author? It's Hubbard. Okay, what you can do is just search for Java Computer Reference on Amazon. This is the author and this is the publication. Oracle is the publication. Okay, so can you take a seminar in SRTTC Pune? Yes, surely I would love to, but Pune. Okay, when I was visiting Pune. What you can do is, okay, forget about where I am and where you are. Send me an invite. In case if I get more invites for one city, okay, maybe I will visit that in this month only. Yeah, we can do that, right? So let's see because I want to finish as much as seminars as possible in this month. Okay, so what is difference between abstract class and interface? I will do a video on that because in Java 8, in Java 8 we can define methods and interface. So that is making abstract class and interface almost same. Okay, so last one question, then we are saying bye-bye. And the question is, okay, I just saw the question and it went up. So make a video on regex. Oh, sure, regex. Okay, I'm okay, sure. I was thinking about making a regex from a long time, but then yeah, let's do that. Okay, and I saw one more question which is interesting, but it went up. I forgot the question. Forgot the question. Okay, I guess I lost that question. When are you coming to Hyderabad? In May, surely in May, because in May I do have a function in Hyderabad, so I'll be coming there, a family function. Which college I am from? I am from Vikas College. So I've done my okay. Which college? You're talking about my college, which I've completed my degree. So BSc IT I was in Vikas College. I've done my MSc from Vidyalankar. So that's it, everyone. Signing off. The remaining questions we'll say in the next session. And someone says, please say once, welcome aliens. So welcome back, aliens. Yeah, I love that sentence. And I guess some people do love it. So that's it, everyone. Uh, I hope you enjoyed. I will try to connect once again at 7 p.m. Once I come back. Let's see. Bye.